Hello, students. Hope you are well. And today, in this series of GK and History MCQs, we are again going to cover close to 35 questions. Be with us. These are very important for the examination. So, please take it very carefully. And at the end of this video, you'll get a very good gift, which is great for your career. So, let's begin with the questions. And the first question on our screen is: under the directive principle of state policy, up to what age of children they expected to be provided free and compulsory education? Under what? Under the directive principle of state policy, up to what age children are expected to be provided free and compulsory education? The options are A 14 years, B 15 years, C 15 years, D 18 years, and the right answer is 14 years. Next question: India became the member of United Nations in which year? India became the member of United Nations in which year? And the option is A 1944, B 1945, C 1947, D 1952. And the right answer is 1945. Next question: the town Sindri in Jharkhand is famous for what? The town Sindri in Jharkhand is famous for what? Option A fertilizers, B pharmaceuticals, C chemicals, and D cements. Sindri in Jharkhand famous for what? And the right answer is fertilizers. The Sindri is basically famous for the fertilizer factories. Next question: in which state of Gulf in which state the Gulf of Mannar is located? In which state the Gulf of Mannar is located? And the options are A Andhra Pradesh, B Tamil Nadu, C Kerala, D Karnataka. Which state Gulf of Mannar is located? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. And the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Gulf of Mannar is located in the Tamil Nadu. Next question: which one is the tallest minar in India? Tallest minar in India. The options are A Qutub Minar, B Chand Minar, C Fatehpur Burj. Fateh Burj. The right answer is Fateh Burj is the tallest minar in India. Next question: which is the first state to run human milk bank? Jivan Dhara. Which is the first state to run human milk bank? Jivan Dhara. And the options is A Punjab, B Maharashtra, C Rajasthan. And the right answer is Rajasthan. Next question: Kalari Patayu, Kalari Payattu. Kalari Payattu is a martial art performed in that state of India. Kalari Payattu is a martial art, yes, but performed in which state of India? And the options are A Tamil Nadu, B Kerala, C Andhra Pradesh, D Telangana. And the right answer is Kerala. Next question: how many countries India share its land border? How many countries India share its land border? Options are A 5, B 6, C 7, and D 8. The right answer is 6, B 6. Next question: the economic liberalization process is started in India in the year. Economic liberalization when started in India? And the options are A 1975, B 1987, C 1991, D 2000. When the economic liberalization process started in India? And the right answer is 1991. Who was the prime minister at that time? Think. It is the Congress regime. Narasimha Rao. Narasimha Rao was the prime minister at that time, and this idea was mainly populated by Dr. Manmohan Singh. Next question: who was the first defense minister of independent India? Who was the first defense minister of independent India? Quickly, guys. Option A Amrit Kaur. Option B Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. C Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and D Baldev Singh. First defense minister of independent India. Option A Amrit Kaur, B Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, C Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and D Baldev Singh. The right answer is Baldev Singh. Next question: the Kedarnath temple is located in? The Kedarnath temple is located in which state? Options are A Uttar Pradesh, B Jammu Kashmir, C Himachal Pradesh, D Uttarakhand. Quickly, guys, very simple. Uttarakhand is the right answer. Kedarnath temple is located in Uttarakhand. Next question: present Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Present Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Dash Prime Minister of India. What is the ranking from the historical age? Option A 13, B 24, C 15, D 16. Answer is 15th Prime Minister of India. Next question. Who is the first Indian Prime Minister to address British Parliament? First Indian Prime Minister who addressed the British Parliament, and the answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Rajiv Gandhi, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Narendra Modi. And the right answer is Narendra Modi is the first Indian Prime Minister to address British Parliament. Next question. The Lalit Kala Academy is devoted to the promotion of what? Lalit Kala Academy. It is a very famous name in India. Is it for music or dance and drama, fine arts or literature? What is the right answer? And the right answer is fine arts, canvas arts, etc. Next question. Among the following districts of Tamil Nadu, among the following districts of Tamil Nadu, which district is unfit for cultivation due to increased salinity? Which district is unfit for cultivation due to increased salinity? And the options are A. Nagapattinam, B. Ramanathapuram, C. Coimbatore, D. Trichurpalli. And the right answer is Ramanathapuram is the district in which is unfit for cultivation due to increased salinity. Next question. The first biosphere reserve in India has been established in. First biosphere reserve in India, where established? The option is A. Nanda Devi, B. Hazaribagh, C. Kanha, D. Nilgiri. What is the right answer? Nilgiri. The first biospace reserve in India has been established in Nilgiri. Next question. Total number of biosphere reserves in India. Interesting. How many total number of biospheres in India? And the options are A. 9, B. 12, C. 16, D. 18. What is the right answer? 18. Total number of biosphere reserves in India is 18 as of now. Next question. What is that? India-born Vijay Seshadri won the prestigious 2014 Pulitzer Prize in which of the following categories? Vijay Seshadri, Pulitzer Prize, which category? And the options are A. Poetry, B. Journalism, C. Music, D. Drama. What is correct? Poetry, journalism, music or drama? And the right answer is poetry. Vijay Seshadri was a poet, and he got the Pulitzer Prize for this category in 2014. Next question. Dr. P. Ramarao Committee. Very good. Dr. P. Ramarao Committee is related to which of the following? Which of the following? Option A. Industry, B. Defense, C. Agriculture, D. Taxes. What is the right answer? Dr. P. Ramarao Committee is for what area? Defense. Dr. P. Ramarao Committee is related to defense. Next question. Which of the following river originate from Trans-Himalayas? Trans-Himalayas. Which river? Options A. Saraswati, B. Ganga, C. Jamuna, D. Sindhu. Quickly. What is the right answer? Sindhu. Sindhu originate from Trans-Himalayas. Next question. Which state has launched My Ganga, My Dolphin 2015 campaign? Which state? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. West Bengal. Quickly. Uttar Pradesh is the state which launched My Ganga, My Dolphin 2015. Next question quickly. National Law Day. National Law Day of India celebrated on what date? Options are A. 7th January, B. 22nd April, C. 13th August, D. 26th November. A. 7th January, B. 22nd April, C. 23rd August, D. 26th November, and the right answer is 26th November. Next question. Which of the following is a harvest festival of India? Which of the following is a harvest festival of India? And the options are A. Onam, B. Pongal, C. Magh Bihu, D. Lohiri. Guys, what is the right answer? Quickly. Which of the following is the harvest festival? Onam, Onam is the harvest festival. Normally, it is celebrated in the Kerala in the month of somewhere August and September. Right, guys? Can you proceed? The Konkan Railway connects between which? Options are A. Goa Kanyakumari. Is it? B. Pune Kochi. C. Mumbai Bangalore. And D. Mumbai Chennai. Quickly. Mumbai to Bangalore. Simple. Try. The visibility and the sceneries in these railways are awesome. Guys, if you get the opportunity, never miss the opportunity to use this railway. This is awesome, and you'll find that certain bridges, certain pillars are even higher than the Qutub Minar. It will be a very interesting journey. Try it. Next question. The first women university in India was founded by first women. Only women are studying in the university, not boys. So, which university? The options are, who founded this university? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. J.C. Kamarappa, C. Dhondo Keshav Karve, and D. Rani Ahilya Devi. Dhondo Keshve Karve is the right answer. Next question. By which name Brahmaputra enters into India? By which name the Brahmaputra enters into India? Brahmaputra River. And the options are A. Manas, B. Dhansiri, C. Dihang. And the right answer is Dihang. That's why 2 times coming in the options. Next question. Let's go ahead. The first Lokayukta office in India was established in which state? The first Lokayukta office in India established in which state? And the options are what? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Kerala. Quickly, what is the right answer? First Lokayukta office in India, and the right answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state where the first Lokayukta office in India was established. Next question. National Green Tribunal in India. National Green Tribunal in India has been established in the year. Which year? National Green Tribunal in India has been established in which year? And the options are A. 2009, B. 2010, C. 2010, again D. 2012. National Green Tribunal, and the right answer is 2010. So guys, you're getting a hint if any options are coming 2 times in a option and multiple choice questions. There's something to think that is high possibility the right answer. Next question. National Book Trust was established by Government of India. National Book Trust was established by Government of India in which year? Quickly. A. 1957, B. 1959, C. 1963, D. 1972, and the right answer is 1957. Next question. Which river of South India is also called Bridha Ganga? Budi Ganga. Which river of South India is also called Bridha Ganga? Ganga, not Ganga. And the options are A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Narmada. Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada. Which is the right answer? Godavari. Godavari in South India is called Bridha Ganga. Sorry. Extremely sorry. Next question. Who is known as the Water Gandhi? Who is known as the Water Gandhi or the Waterman of India? Very good. And the options are Kailash Satyarthi, B. Ramesh Sharma, C. Rajendra Singh, D. Keshav Nag. Who is known as the Water Gandhi, Waterman of India? And the right answer goes to Rajendra Singh. Rajendra Singh is known as the Water Gandhi, Waterman of India. Next question. When Mahatma Gandhi was arrested, number of times. When Mahatma Gandhi was arrested, who among the following took over the leadership of Salt Satyagraha, Namak Satyagraha? When Mahatma Gandhi was arrested, who among the following took the leadership of Salt Satyagraha? And the options are A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Abbas Tayabji, and D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. And the right answer is Abbas Tayabji has taken the leadership of Salt Satyagraha when Mahatma Gandhi was arrested. Next question. In which session of Congress the demand of Purna Swaraj was accepted as a aim of the Congress? In which session of Congress? The demand of Purna Satyagraha, Purna Swaraj was accepted as the aim of the Congress, and the options are A. Calcutta, B. Madras, C. Nagpur, D. Lahore. Quickly guys, what is the right answer? A. Calcutta, B. Madras, C. Nagpur, D. Lahore. Right answer is Lahore. In the Lahore session of Congress, the demand of Purna Swaraj was accepted as the aim of the Congress. Next question. Who was the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha? Leader of Bardoli Satyagraha. And the options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Acharya J.B. Kripalani. What is the right answer? Option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Acharya J.B. Kripalani. And the right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha. Right guys, let's go ahead. Go back to Vedas. Go back to Vedas. This call was given by whom? Go back to Vedas. And the options are A. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, B. Vivekananda, C. Jyotiba Phule, and D. Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati. And the right answer is Dayanand Saraswati said go back to Vedas and see what is hidden inside. The knowledge of the universe has been composed in Veda. Out of the thousands of years of research, these are the treasure of the knowledge. I don't know why the world is not taking so seriously. Fine, good. We have covered close to 30-35 questions. Now it is the time of your gift. To get the gift, you have to run the stage. You have to go to the stage, and the stage is in this description box. If you go to the description box, you will find a link. Now click to the link, it will take to a web page, and the web page is full of gifts and opportunities for your career. A good earning, great earning, best earning while learning. Go ahead, grab it. I will not talk much about the opportunity. You are required to find the opportunity in your own. Try your best. Thank you guys. Share these videos, like it, subscribe it, share it to all the friends and family members who are willing to learn and taking a part in any competitive examinations. Best of luck of all. Best of luck to all. Enjoy. Great. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. God bless you.